Hello dear students of the first secondary stage and welcome to a new lesson. Today we're gonna deal with Unit 8, Lesson 3. We have the word application. Application is a noun. It is a countable noun. بيقول لنا in computing, an application is a piece of software designed to carry out a particular task. يعني في مجال الكمبيوتر application ده هو software designed مصمم to carry out لتنفيذ a particular task. مهمة معينة. Example. بيقول لنا people usually install applications from the internet to carry out specific tasks. طبعا application can be abbreviated to be app, A-P-P. Translation. Translation or translation. بيقول لنا it is a noun and it is countable. A piece of writing or speech that has been translated from a different language. طبعا translation هي الترجمة. بيقول لنا في الإكزامبل I have read Hamlet in translation. طبعا Hamlet طبعا هي written by Shakespeare. طبعا ممكن استخدمها بمعنى قرية صغيرة أو ناجع يعني Hamlet. ممكن تدي المعنى ده. Quiz is a noun. Quiz طبعا بمعنى اختبار قصير أو تطبيق على ما تم دراسته. بيقول لنا a game or competition in which someone tests your knowledge by asking you questions. Example. بيقول لنا I'll have a quiz at the end of the term. quiz بمعنى اختبار. Quiz can be used as a verb. ممكن تستخدم كفعل. بيقول لنا when you are quizzed by someone about something, they ask you questions about it. ومديني example. بيقول لنا مصطفى quizzed her about life as a working girl. يعني اختبرها. Chat is a verb. بيقول لنا when people chat, they talk to each other in an informal and friendly way. مديني example. بيقول لنا I chatted to her about all the times. بمعنى يدردش. Feedback. Feedback is a noun. It is uncountable. يقول لنا the information about how well or poorly you did something. ومديني example. بيقول لنا I got great feedback from my boss. طبعا feedback بمعنى تغذية راجعة. تمام. Brainstorm. Brainstorm is a noun. It is countable. بيقول لي if you have a brainstorm, you suddenly have a clever idea. It is in American English. طبعا في الأمريكان English بيستخدموا brainstorm بمعنى فكرة رائعة أو فكرة جيدة. لكن in British English they use brainwave. بيقول لنا in British English brainwave is used to give the same meaning of brainstorming. ومديني example. بيقول لنا the students got a brainstorm about technology. The students got a brainstorm about technology. ولكن brainstorm ممكن تستخدم كverb كفعل. بيقول لنا if a group of people brainstorm, they have a meeting in which they all put forward as many ideas and suggestions as they can think of. ومديني example. بيقول لنا the students could brainstorm a list of useful ideas about using technology in education. طبعا brainstorm ممكن تيجي بمعنى عصف ذهني أو يجري عصف ذهني. Now dear students, we're going to shift it to an exercise. بيقول لنا choose a correct answer from A, B, C, or D. The first one. The teacher asked the students to be ready for the monthly app, which is an abbreviation for application. quit بمعنى stop or يقلع عن. quid and a quiz. طبعا the teacher asked the students to be ready for the monthly quiz. طبعا quiz بمعنى اختبار. Number 2. I spaced with Mustafa online yesterday. I share معنى يشارك. chatty, cheat, chatted. طبعا عندنا كلمة chat بمعنى يدردش والباست بتاعها chatted. لكن cheat اللي هي letter C بمعنى يغش. The correct answer here is chatted. I chatted with Mustafa online yesterday. Number 3. There are many useful space to be installed on your smartphone. applies. طبعا هي apply وطبعا جايبها لنا في present simple applies. apply بمعنى يتقدم ل apply for. applications معنى تطبيقات. applicants اللي هم المتقدمين للوظائف. appliances اللي هي الأجهزة. The correct answer here is applications. There are many useful applications في العديد من التطبيقات المفيدة to be installed in your smartphone. Number 4 بيقول لنا the space of this book is not accurate. accurate بمعنى دقيق. The look, the quiz, no, translation or cover. طبعا الجملة هنا محتاجة معنى كلمة ترجمة هذا الكتاب is not accurate وطبعا ترجمة بمعنى translation. زي ما احنا متعودين بنسمع listening بتاعنا بدون إظهار التكست. بركز جدا في كل كلمة بتتقال وطبعا بعد ما بننتهي من listening بيكون معانا مجموعة من الكويستشنز بنجاوبها وبعد كده بنظهر التكست بتاعنا ونشوف ايه هي الكلمات اللي هي unknown. يلا معايا. Listen to Amel and Hannah discussing how technology helps people to learn. Are these sentences true or false? Let's listen. Amel بتقول Technology is so helpful when you are learning something. You can find the information you need quickly. If you don't understand a word when reading a text, you can find the translation for it. Hannah بتقول You're right, Amel. But does that help you learn? I think that if you learn something, you remember it, and you can use it when you are talking or writing. Technology can't help you remember things or write texts. فردت عليها أمل وقالت لها Well, not exactly, but if you use a language application, for example, you can do quizzes about new words to help you remember them. And some applications give you feedback on your writing so you can do it better next time. فردت عليها هانا وقالت لها I understand what you're saying. That's not the way I learn. I prefer using a pen and paper and making notes in my notebook. I don't need a smartphone. أمل قالت لها That's okay, everyone is different. For me, the best thing about using technology is that you can chat with people from all over the world online. That's nice when you're doing your homework on your own. If you have questions, they will help you. Now, dear students, after finishing the listening part, we have some questions. Let's answer them. The first question we have is, أمل thinks that technology can help us to understand the texts. Is that sentence true or false? Yes, bravo! It's true. Okay. Number 2. Hannah thinks that technology can help us to use things that we learn. طبعا من خلال التكست اللي احنا سمعناه يعني كانت أمل كانت pro technology كانت مع التكنولوجيا لكن هانا was against technology. فطبعا this sentence is yes, false. Number 3. Amal thinks language applications are useful because they can help us to remember words. طبعا احنا عارفين ان Amal is yes, Amal is pro technology, so this sentence is true. Okay. Number 4. Hannah said that applications can't help us to improve the way we write. طبعا عارفين ان Hannah is against technology, so this sentence is true. Number 5. Hannah prefers to write things down when she's learning something. Yes, Hannah is against technology and pro traditional ways of learning. So this sentence is true. Number 6. بيقول لنا Amal likes learning online because she doesn't have to travel a long way from home. This sentence is true. Now, dear students, we're gonna show the text. Amal بتقول technology is so helpful when you're learning something, Hannah. You can find the information you need quickly. طبعا information بمعنى معلومات وبنتعامل معها على ان هي uncountable word. If you don't understand a word when reading a text, you can find the translation for it. ممكن تجد الترجمة لهذه الكلمة. هانا ردت عليت لها You're right, Amal. But does that help you learn? هل ده ممكن يساعدك في التعلم؟ I think that if you learn something, you remember it and you can use it when you are talking or writing. Technology can't help you remember things or write texts. طبعا احنا عارفين اني ممكن انطق كلمة كلمة دي اللي هي can't. In British English بنقول can't. In American English بنقول can't. And both of them are right. أمل قالت well حسنا not exactly, but if you use a language application for example you can do quizzes. واحنا عارفين ان quiz بيجي معاها الverb do a quiz مش make يعني make a quiz يصنع quiz يصنع اختبار لكن do a quiz يعني يقوم بإجراء اختبار يعني يدخل اختبار. Do quizzes about new words to help you remember them. And some applications give you feedback on your writing. بيديك يعني تغذية راجعة on your writing. يقول لك ده صح أو خطأ. So you can do it better next time. فردت عليها هنا قالت لها I understand what you're saying. That's not the way I learn. I prefer using a pen and paper. بفضل أن أستخدم pen and paper and making notes in my notebook. I don't need a smartphone. Smartphone هو الهاتف الذكي. طبعا in American English they use cell phone كمان. ممكن يستخدموا cell phone اللي هو التليفون الخلوي. في British English برضه بيستخدموا mobile phone. Okay. أمل بتقول that's okay. Everyone's different. كل واحد بيكون مختلف. فمي بالنسبة لي the best thing about using technology is that you can chat with people from all over the world online. That's nice. When you're doing your homework on your own. طبعا on your own بمعنى بنفسك. يعني by yourself. If you have questions, they will help you. تمام. Now, dear students, we've come to the end of this part. Wishing good luck and bye-bye.